Deborah, and I hope to see you at the Singularity University Benelux Executive Program this November. From the 12 grand global challenges, I am particularly passionate about the Learning Challenge, and it's one of the reasons I became a part-time professor at the Delft University of Technology. At the Faculty of Industrial Design Engineering, I focus on the crossroads of technology, business, and psychology, looking at innovations and new technologies, enabling new business models, new value propositions, and sometimes turn markets upside down. On day 3 of the program, it's all about planning your future, and that's where I come in. You'll learn about innovation processes, tools, and methodologies to make innovation happen, and we'll also discuss how startups and corporates are different when it comes to innovation. All with the goal to help you increase your innovation success rate within your own organization. See you this November at Singularity University Benelux.